Hello everyone, Ian here in the Schneider booth at NAB 2017, and I'm here with Ron because Schneider has just introduced a new set of ND filters, and I think that a lot of people are probably scratching their heads wondering why Schneider has endeavored to come up with a new line of NDs.
Sure, it's been a long time coming. Neutral density filters dating back many years have been made using dyes, organic dyes, and the neutrality of them has sort of wavered over time. They are not quite what we're introducing today and this week at NAB. These are called the rhodium full spectrum neutral density filters, and they are indeed true full spectrum neutral, which means they are exhibiting equal absorption throughout the visible region of light through to the mid to near infrared. So it's equal response all the way through, unlike the IR filters, which had more absorption in the infrared than the visible. This is the filter of today, since camera corrections have been made to inhibit the amount of infrared pollution, that we've seen with the previous cameras.
Now, will these improvements, now again, I think it's important to remember that if we call it the chemistry that you've done on your side, how is that affecting the chemistry on, say, the sensor side of cameras?
As far as, can you repeat the question?
Are we going to have any, in other words, will these have the same effect across every sensor, or are they going to have a different type of effect on different types of manufacturer sensors?
These rhodium filters have been tested on 3 cameras thus far. We've tested on Arri, Sony, and Red cameras because we know that there's some variation in the sensitivity across red, green, and blue from camera to camera. So I wanted to be as thorough as possible and had them tested on each of the 3 cameras. There's certainly more that we could do, but the results across all 3 cameras was very impressive. These filters are indeed the most neutral that we've seen to date, and I have lots of test data to prove it, and I've taken it to so far an extent where regular spectrophotometry doesn't suffice anymore. I've had more technical ways of testing these filters in what we call end-to-end testing, whereby light coming through the lens, into the camera, through the sensor, into the electronics, out into a vector scope, is the true end-to-end test of a filter. So we have all sorts of data that show these filters will not alter the light in the red, green, and blue channels. It is a very, very minor shift that could barely be seen. I'm not going to say they're perfect because there is no such thing as a perfect ND. I've never seen one. I may never see one.
All right, thanks so much for your time. Look forward to seeing the results on different cameras. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.